Well, hey there, my friend. I'm Abby from Abbi Kirsten Collections, and I'm also the hostess of the Cricut Craftfest events. So we are wrapping up our holiday Cricut Craftfest 2022, and I have a couple of last minute things that I want to let you know about. First is that we are going to be giving away 12 VIP access passes. I know there are some folks who just can't swing the VIP access pass for lifetime access to all of these holiday Cricut workshops. I know that's not always possible for everyone. If you're in Central Florida like me, you may have experienced severe devastation due to Hurricane Ian. We still have lots of cleanup to do down here in Florida, so I definitely appreciate that and I see you. So I wanted to make sure that I had one last giveaway where you will have 12 chances to win one VIP access pass. Now, all you need to do to enter for this giveaway is to make sure you've already followed me on my YouTube channel and then comment done below. Now, the Cricut Craftfest events are going to return in 2023. We have one coming up in February, the 6th through the 10th, and then we'll have another one in October next year. So make sure you make a note and you write it down. We will be returning and we will bring you more amazing, incredible Cricut workshops. Now, just because the event is over doesn't mean your Cricut crafting needs to stop. I want to continue to support you. I want to continue to see you grow and craft in your Cricut journey, okay? So follow me here. I have lots of Cricut help and resources. Follow our incredible speakers. They are pros at what they do. They will help you. They will guide you. They will answer your questions. Reach out to us for support. We are here to support you. Continue to engage in our attendee Facebook group if you like, and we are going to be here to continue to help you in your Cricut journey between now and the next Craftfest event. I also want to say thank you to all of our amazing speakers, my entire community who participated, shared about the event, gave all of their wonderful feedback on the event. Thank you so much. Thank you to my team for all of the time that you worked, the overtime you worked. Susan, my assistant, thank you. Shannon, thank you so much. Michael, my husband, who took time off of work, thank you so much. Y'all are an incredible support, and I would not be able to survive without you. All right, my friend, so make sure you like this video, you enter for those VIP access giveaways, and we will personally reach out to you and tag you if you are the winner by end of day Monday. Good luck to everyone, and thank you again to my entire community. Bye for now.